Let's see what he's got. Look at the force behind that leg drop. A sharp elbow drop. With a 180, Kofi Kingston, the reversal. Wow, straight right hand. Oh, wait, nice reversal. Reversal. Not today, too fast. When an opponent of Darren Young's is on the receiving end of his brand of offense, they can expect ground attacks, being worn down by his strength, and a variety of power moves. Darren Young can also take to the air, which really keeps his opponents off balance. A textbook reversal. Can he follow up? What an impact from that kick. Oh, and he lands that one right to the head.
Kingston has an answer for that one.
You know, my jaw always seems to hit the floor at least once per Kofi Kingston match. This guy's unreal. And there's the reversal from Darren Young.
Big E manages to reverse out of that one.
Well, let's face it, Cole. If you're going to be in WWE and call yourself Mr. No Days Off and love to talk trash on the microphone, you better be at the top of your game every single night. He was one step ahead on that one. No, not again. Darren Young gathering attention in a hurry. Was that?
He's setting up. Uh-oh. Darren Young is looking to end it. What a move!
He's going for the pin!
1, 2. Big E digging deep for the kick out.
Darren Young's been in heated battles in tag team and singles competition. I've always found superstars that came from tag team competition very innovative when it came to creating offense. D. Young's gut check will make anybody think twice about signing a contract to face him in a match. He was able to reverse that. Oh, ow! Looks like somebody wants back in this match. Oh, that's devastating. Let me tell you something, Cole. One of the most intimidating finishing moves I have ever seen as a wrestler or as an announcer is Big E's big ending. I think part of what makes the maneuver so scary for opponents is that Big E can lift anyone up, no matter how big they are, and plant them right in the mat. Turning it around, it's Kofi Kingston with the reversal. Oh! He anticipated that move perfectly. And he reversed it. Good move there. What a reversal. Oh, Cole, look at that. Now that's how you hurt an opponent. He saw that one coming. Reversal. After all of these shots to the head, I've got a feeling that Soup's going to be on his diet for the foreseeable future.
Uh-oh, trying to put him away.
Oh, my! Titus O'Neil! Stay down! Stay down! Oh, look at the look in O'Neil's eyes. That's it. He's out.
And this has got to be it. And there's the save.
Look at him out there reaching for the tag. He can't wait to get back in the mix. He's got him covered.
Oh, man. I thought Titus O'Neil was done there.
He wants back in this match in the worst way.
Titus O'Neil with a nice reversal.
Ooh. Watch it. He looks fired up here.
Wait a minute. It's not over yet. He's still got some fight left. And Kofi Kingston is rolling.
Oh, after that, you're not seeing stars. You're looking at constellations. Every time he has to get up, it takes more.
Oh, jeez. The pin broken easily.
Great offense by Titus O'Neil.
And now he's back out on the apron.
No, not again.
Darren Young gathering attention in a hurry.
Boy, he was able to reverse, get out of that. Look out! Oh, what a tumultuous move by Kofi Kingston.
He's seen enough. Here he comes. And he's in there trying to get something going for his partner. And there he goes, under the bottom rope. And maybe some order will be restored here.
And he goes flying down to the concrete.
4. Launched back into the ring. And we're going back between the ropes.
Titus O'Neil with a nice reversal. And down he goes.
Uh-oh, look at this. Oh, trying to put him away.
That's it. He's done. Look at this. Somehow he's still going. And here comes his partner. Tremendous move.
He thinks he has it. neutralized.
Did you hear that thump, Cole?
And there's the reversal. Darren Young is getting ready here.
Nowhere to go. Great hold being applied.
Just a dominating display.
Yeah, I think we could see a lot of punishment inflicted here.
And he finally gets out of the ring.
That's it. He's out. For the first time tonight, Darren Young is scaling the ropes.
Oh, man, and I can guarantee he'll think twice about doing that again.
Oh, out of nowhere. Darren Young gathering attention in a hurry. Oh, geez. Knocked into next week.
He gets out of trouble.
Here's a cover. Oh, not even close.
Turning it around, it's Kofi Kingston with the reversal.
What a counter. What a collision.
And again, sent out of the ring. He's back on his feet, but you can see the abuse from this grueling match has definitely taken its toll. And that was a huge counter.
Oh. And that one hit with the force of a big rig. Oh, my gosh. He might make his opponent tap right here. Oh, you're not going to last long here.
No, it's time to fight out or tap out, King.
Darren Young did it. Let's go to the highlights here. We saw during the match. Here are some highlights from the match. That match was incredible. I can't believe what we saw during it. Let's take a look back at what exactly happened during this one.
Here are your winners, and still WWE Tag Team Champions, Titus O'Neil and Darren Young, the Prime Time Players.